Alright, welcome to RMK Overland, everybody. Today I've got this Speedy CO puncture repair kit series 2 unboxing that I'm going to do for you. And this is from ARB, which is an awesome company. I've got a few other things from them, but they make really good stuff, and this is their puncture repair kit, like I said. So turning it around, it's got a tire gauge, it's got an insertion tool, a reamer tool, some lubricant, various valve accessories, got some repair cord, an Allen key, needle nose pliers, a razor blade for cutting the cords, and then this carrying case, which is supposed to be a high visibility orange blow molded case for ease of visibility. The reason I got this was because I'm starting to get into the world of overlanding. I've got my Land Cruiser sitting behind me, and I want to add this to my Land Cruiser kit and use it, hopefully never have to use it. It's pretty nicely packaged and everything. It's kind of cool that this is like an Australian company and got so many cool things, this being one of them. And I'm going to take off the plastic here, get this off, and then put this to the side. We got this cover here. I'll take this off. And this is just, it's just the sort of contents at the back and all that good stuff. Put that over here. Just put it up against my oil that I have back here, oil canister. So then it's got, this is just your normal like sort of plastic molded case. It says ARB 4x4 accessories here, which is kind of cool. It's got 2 latches right here. Undo one, undo the other, and then open it up. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let me get this out of the way. Looks like the needle nose pliers fell down. Pretty cool kit. You've got your needle nose pliers, razor, Allen tool. You've got your tire pressure gauge. Remove this. This is some instructions, and then this is these are the pieces of cord, and this is to thread the cord in to your tire. So it definitely seems quite sturdy. Seems like it's made out of like steel or something like that. Very strong for sure. Good grip. It's got all the nice sort of rugged looks to it and all of that from ARB. And then you've got this is the reamer, which is an interesting term. But anyway, you use this to basically clean out the hole and enlarge it so you can fit the cord into it. So this is also well built, very sturdy, very nice. And then it's got a bunch of accessories over here. This is some sort of adapter, it seems like. And then a useful couple of other things. Very cool. It's got a steel nozzle cover too, which is nice. Like, that's neat. So there's that, and then this is a kind of cement that you use to sort of cover up the outside of the hole once you're done. And this feels dirty, so this is definitely like leaving a weird residue and stuff, which is fine, not a big deal. But there you have it. This is these are the instructions. Nice little pictures and stuff on how to do it. Here. This. Put this back in, and we're good to go. Nice. So yeah, very cool little nifty little kit over here. hopefully helpful to get me out of some kind of jam. If I'm ever in a jam, this will be super helpful. So thumbs up on this. Very good build quality. Like everything. Awesome.